how to make magic chicken wands, featuring hot sauce from Gorilla Wizard, a kick-ass stoner metal band.
Ricky, what kind of weird gorilla porn are you watching? I thought Harambe was dead.
We got this video from this 1,400-year-old gorilla that's also a wizard. He's also the guitar player in this awesome band called Gorilla Wizard. But they gave us this handwritten note with it. It says, if you want to try my hot sauce, just say magic word.
He spells better than you read, but what's the magic word?
Jumanji.
Mr. G's infamous cauldron concoction. Papaya hot sauce, huh? That'll put hair on your bananas. Woo!
Since we have a magical gorilla's hot sauce, we're gonna make the most important thing in a wizard's arsenal, his magic wand. We're gonna season these with bone dust, our very own garlic salt. Smokey here is gonna use his trusty paring axe to circumcise these magic wands all the way around the chicken boner. Then you squeeze all the flesh to the bottom, and you tear off the foreskin. Muggles might call these chicken lollipops, but round here, we call these magic chicken wands.
Now, there isn't a thing in the world that isn't made better with a little bit of bacon. Chicken, burgers, eggs, guitar solos, hand in the skating rink. That's why we're going to encrust this magic wand with the meat jewel of the gods.
Now we cast a spell of heavy metal to protect the bones from the flames of our smoker. This step is entirely optional, just like showering and doing the dishes.
And now Ricky's gonna glaze up these legs the same way he does his Hermione poster he keeps in his closet.
What? I told Mom not to tell anybody about that.
This stuff has scorpion peppers, papayas, habaneros, and all kinds of magical in it. Now it's time to forge these magical chicken scepters in the flames of hell, otherwise known as the True Metal Grill and Smoker. Cook these magic wands low and slow on indirect heat until the internal temperature is about 135. Then you're gonna crank up that heat and let the Gorilla Glaze really seep down and set all over your legs. That didn't come out right.
Easy, Jane Goodall.
Shut up, Ricky. At least I've had my banana and coconuts monkey with before. Alright, put these magic wands on the grill, then go inside and put on Gorilla Wizard's album, Tales from the Cauldron. Listen to it twice, and when it's done, so's your dinner, poser.
Now that's a magic wand fit for any wizard.
Yeah, I'll bet Bumbleboard or Professor Wesley Snipes or whoever his nuts is from Harry Parker would tell you the same thing. At this point, you can take the heavy metal condoms off your magic boners. Sabrina the Teenage Witch, eat your heart out. Oh, dang, Ricky, that's looking good right there. Magical chicken wands. I think before I take a bite, it's only customary that I cast a spell with our magic wand here. I wish for all posers in the world to be destroyed.
Yeah. Wait, what?
Ricky should have seen that one coming. I'm gonna dig into these magic chicken wands. You guys find some Gorilla Wizard hot sauce on their Bandcamp site. And as always, visit TrueMetalGrilling.com for all of our spices and to check out some more of our videos. See you next time, posers.